So check out these really cool front door pocket trash cans here. This is for the Tesla Model Y Juniper that I have here. First off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is a really cool set. You get two, one for each front door. It is a set of these trash cans here that fit really nicely in the front door pocket here. And then that way you can throw away whatever garbage you have into there. I've been just using the cup holders to throw away my garbage, so this is really nice. Keeps it much cleaner and your car looking much more organized and clean instead of having it all in the front console or having a trash bag in your car. So you can put small garbage in there, and then when you're ready to throw it away, it's really easy to take out, dump out. These are really easy to clean as well. It's this really nice like silicone soft material there, so it fits in here really nicely. So you get one for each side, as I said, and you can even put it the other way if you like as well. Then you can use that for other stuff or however you like. So you can use this as a garbage, or if you want to use it or as an organizer for some small stuff, you could do that as well. So yeah, really nice way to keep your car clean and organized. So if you're looking for a set of garbage cans for your car, for your Tesla, make sure you check these out.